friends, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you are new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. I'm back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. Sarah, what are we making today? Oh my god, I'm so glad you asked. We are making dun, dun, bug milk. Okay, I read it, or I did it too fast in case you wanted to like get a good look at the page. Yeah, look at that. By Hudson Abadeer. Hunson Abadeer. I never knew how to say his name correctly, I'll be so honest. Ever since he ate Marceline's fries, he was on a shit list. Okay, so, bug milk, right? What kind of name is bug milk? But I'm gonna be making peanut milk. Isn't that exciting? That is so exciting, dude. Oh my god, I didn't even expect that was gonna be the thing. Dude, I've always wanted to try making like a nut milk. Like peanuts and cashews and almonds and stuff. And oat milk, because I like oat milk. But it doesn't seem like it's too bad. There's actually 7 steps. I said that it doesn't seem like it's too bad, but there's 7 steps, so. And the first step is like literally, you have to soak them in water for 12 hours. So I'm running a little behind already. It is currently, what is today's date? It is currently January 18th at 10:18 a.m. Ooh, 18:18. That's not any kind of, that's just patterns. But it's 10:18. I'm gonna let these sit for probably 24 hours. I'll be so for real. And come back to see how they are because I forgot about that being a thing. We don't have to get too many ingredients. We have a thing right up here from the Underlord Father himself. Here is his look. And then our 7 steps. We are doing bug milk today because it was a suggestion made over on TikTok. So thank you so much for the suggestion. I truly do appreciate it. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So we have a thing right up here and we're gonna read that and then we'll read the steps. We actually also have a little, all right. Hey, so here's how to make bug milk. It's a little recipe I'd like to keep around because it's a crucial ingredient for freeing me from the nightospere. Yeah, just draw a happy face on any surface, say some simple incantations, pour this around, and you'll be doing your pal Hunson a big favor. Don't tell anyone I snuck into this book. He did though. No actual bugs. Pretty good trick, huh? Ha ha ha. Good, because that would have, I'm sorry, that is where I will have to draw the line. I don't think I'm adventurous enough to try bug foods besides like shrimp. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on that. We'll see how long it ends up taking, at least 24 hours minimum. So let's boogie woogie woogie. I don't think I said that. Boogie woogie woogie. There we go. Let's boogie woogie woogie. And here are all the ingredients. Oh my god, she has a blender now. Oh my god, she has a blender now. Wow. I think I would rather try it instead of throwing it on the ground. I don't think there's any need for Hunson Abadeer to be needing the antidote for whatever the heck. Anyway, there he is. I tried to draw him, but I tried to simplify it. Work in progress, I don't know. Nobody, as Hannah Montana once said, nobody's perfect. I'm embarrassed about that one. First, make a classic nut milk, which can be made with any nut. This recipe uses half a cup of toasted peanuts for flavor, but generally nut milks are only made with raw nuts. Soak the raw peanuts and toasted peanuts in enough water to cover by a couple of inches. Allow to soak covered overnight for a minimum of 12 hours. Discard the water in which the nuts are soaking. Place nuts in a blender along with cocoa powder, agave, and salt. Bring 4 cups of water to just under a boil around 180 degrees Fahrenheit and pour into the blender as well. Start blender on low, gradually increasing speed until blender is on high. Blend for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour through fine sieve. That's a big word for Emma. Pressing on the pulp to push all liquid through the sieve. Discard any of the leftover pulp. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Serve bug milk nice and cold, or draw a smiley face and pour this drink on the ground. Oh, it all went to the bottom. Maybe I did it wrong. Or I just need to shake, shake, shake. Oh, we're gonna pop, pop, pop. Okay. Feels cold. Woohoo. sealed. All right, and here's the review. Wow, dude, I made peanut milk. That's so fucking exciting. Here's the milk. You can see the bottom. Maybe I didn't use a fine enough thing. I don't know, but anyway, let's try it. I'm not sure if I like it. I'm glad we tried it. I'm glad I was able to make peanut milk for the first time, but I'm not sure if I like it. It was smelling good because I like peanuts, but maybe I don't like peanuts that much. And we essentially made like chocolate milk, but the milk was peanut milk. Which is cool, very neat. But yeah, there we go. Not sure if I like it. I mean, my curiosity has been met, so I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. There was a lot of waiting on this one, but it was also super simple. I'm very happy with how like smooth it went, and like, yeah, I don't know if I like it. I'm tasting the aftertaste right now. Maybe it's like acquired taste. Maybe I'll feel better about it here in a little bit. But yeah, I don't think I like it. I don't think I'm a fan. Oh, I don't like saying when I don't like things, but sometimes it'd be like that. All right, well, I'm gonna still drink the rest of it because I made a lot. Well, I only have to drink like 2 of those cup-sized ones, so I'm already drank like a third of the other one. No, it's only like a fourth, honestly, but anyway, yay! Thank you so much again for the suggestion. I was so completely like curious on how this was going to turn out. Didn't even realize it was going to be making a peanut milk because, again, that's just so cool. Now I have like more courage to try making other nut milks and stuff like that, because if it's like that, it's nothing bad. Just remember to soak. But I don't know, it's still really cool. May not be my cup of milk, but it is still cool. So yay! Here is a list of items that I will be making next. In no particular order. I'm trying to go over when everybody commented on them, but I'm taking 20 or so years. So apologies on that. And if there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Adventure Time Cookbook, you have a list of options right here for you. Okay, that's enough. I feel like there's more that I gotta say, but it was really simple and straight to the point. I just really wish I had more to say, but I mean, that's it. I don't really like the taste of it, but I'm glad I tried it. Now I have an opinion on it, so hell yeah. But that's all I got for you guys today. I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day for hanging out with me and making it till the end of the video. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Or not, you're in charge of yourself. Okay, bye! But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So we have a thing right up here, so we're gonna read that. That fell. Dashi be? Oh, it all went to the bottom. Maybe I did it wrong. Or I just need to shake, shake, shake. Oh, we're gonna pop, pop, pop. Okay. Feels cold. Woohoo! Sealed.